Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete the render files in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to and download the Filmora application. When you did that guys, of course, you don't need to open it, but if you have struggles with going and downloading it, you can go to our channel where we can help you do it. Now, when you're here, let's see what we actually have in front of us. Here we have the file, edit, we have the tools, view, export, and the help option. We also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and display option. And of course, we also have the main option, which is the export button here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete the render files in Filmora. So basically how you can do it is let's see, first of all, we need to go and put a file so we can go and render it. So basically we're going to go to the media. Here we can go and put a file like this. Then we can go and cut it by clicking on Control B. We can go and do whatever we want with this file. We can delete something, we can go back, and so on and so on. But now guys, if you want to go and delete the render files in Filmora, we can go and add some more if you want. So basically you can add this one and this one. So how we want to delete them is by clicking the right click and clicking on delete, or clicking on them and clicking on our keyboard delete. So basically those are our options. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.